Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we've taken a little hiatus off of YouTube for a while. I've actually had quite a few messages and we're all good. We were just taking a break. Work has been busy and yeah, I think we were both a bit run down. So we've just taken like a little bit of a break, but we have popped to IKEA today. Steve wants to get a couple more frames for your office. Yep. Because we've done this like football shirt wall thing. So you've got a couple more shirts you want to hang, so we've got to get some more frames. Yeah. And I kind of thought, do you know what? We haven't had a mooch around IKEA for a while. Let's go and mooch. I'm not dragging Steve here. This was his suggestion. It was my suggestion. Yeah. Normally I do drag him here, but yeah, we're just going to go have a little look. And I didn't realise, apparently there's a massive sale on at the moment. How convenient. Exactly. So yeah, maybe we'll pick some bits up. I don't know, but I think I want to see like what's new in store because we haven't been for a while. I'm sure there's like some cute new bits. There'll be something for sure. Exactly. So yeah, let's head in, just take a little look around. Okay, so we have just gotten back. We did not get very many things. So we got 3 of the 𝘰𝑗ℴ frames for Steve's football tops. We got them in the 40 by 50. And we also got some sandwich bags. So not very exciting. Steve's like laughing in the background. But there were not a lot of things that had like the orange new sticker on. I know, it's so exciting. But there were a lot of things that were like new to me that I hadn't seen. Loads of really nice kind of like armchairs and stuff. There's a sofa in there that every time we go in, I look at it, don't I?
You do.
Like, really, really love it. I'll put a photo of what it looks like on the screen. It's so comfortable, really stylish, doesn't look like it's IKEA at all. But yeah, there was quite a few different things that we were really interested in. And it was nice to go and not like have loads of stuff that we wanted to get, if that makes sense. It was nice to just go and like kind of imagine like future houses and like, oh, that would be cool there, or like, oh, if we did a utility room, like that'd be cool. So yeah, it was nice to just go and have like a little bit of a mooch around, grab a Starbucks on the way home. But I would definitely recommend going and checking it out at the moment. Also loads of really good outdoor furniture as well. So yeah, we're definitely kind of like scoping out stuff for like maybe next potential house, like things that we could get. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.